Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy and send the Bitcoin on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy and send Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to buy the Bitcoin, tap on to BTC option right here. Or you can also search it on the search bar just right here. Now choose the one that you are interested the most and tap on it. After that, to buy it, simply tap onto the buy button right here. Now add the additional information about the cryptocurrency and simply you can buy it. And after buying it, tap on to the portfolio option right here. And here you can find the option of transfer. Now tap on it. And to send it, you can simply choose one of these options and you can send the Bitcoin. And that's it. This is how you can buy and send Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.